Imagine you're building a particle system where you want to support multiple drawing modes like circles, squares, images, lines, etc. The naive solution would be something like a switch statement or a huge if-else statement. As more drawing modes are added, this becomes a large conditional block that is hard to extend, test, and maintain. Every new drawing method forces you to modify existing code. This strategy pattern defines a family of algorithms, encapsulates each one, and makes them interchangeable. It lets you change behavior at runtime without modifying the object that uses it. It is also a behavioral design pattern. In UML terms, there are three main parts: the context, or the object using the algorithm, for example, a particle renderer; the strategy interface, which defines the behavior; and some concrete strategies like circle draw, square draw, and image draw. The context holds a reference to a strategy and delegates the work to it. This pattern is useful when you have multiple ways to perform the same task. You want to switch behavior at runtime, you want to avoid large conditional blocks, and you want to follow the open-close principle. You should avoid it when there is only one algorithm whose logic is extremely simple. For an example, I'm showing you the TypeScript code example which I use when creating my React Particles node module. First, this is the strategy interface. It's just a simple interface with a draw method. Then we have concrete strategies like circle draw, square draw, and triangle draw. The context is fairly easy. We have a particle renderer who has its own strategy and then uses a render function which calls that strategy's draw method. With this implementation, the drawing behavior can be changed just by changing the strategy. The benefits are as follows. This pattern removes complex conditionals, makes adding new behaviors easy, allows runtime behavior switching, and keeps code modular and testable. And that's the strategy pattern. If you found this useful, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next design pattern video.